Let's go look. Let's go look at the stockings. What did Santa bring you?
Christmas.
Huh?
Pudding.
Oh,
It's pudding.
go get them.
That's for you. That's what Santa Claus brought you.
Go get them, buddy. Yeah, Bullseye and Jesse.
Go get it.
Go get them. It's yours. Go get your bicycle.
Go get it. Look how big Mickey is. He's almost as big as you. Yeah. It's a blanket. Can you pull it out? Can you pull the bike out?
Go get Mickey.
Here, put her down. Put her down and...
It's not gonna bite you, buddy. There you go. Come on. Let's go get Mickey. Ooh. Oh.
It's Woody.
There's Woody. You want to get on your bike?
I'm not bike.
You sit on it. Jesse. Yeah. Yeah.
We did a really good job of staying away from Toy Story.
We did it. Yeah.
All that, the decals.
He looks at the details. I mean, it's only a track. They already get the green. Okay.